As we are coming to the end of the year, I want to do a last review of My Lead Gen Secret. This is my final My Lead Gen Secret review for 2020. Hello, I'm Sophie, Millionaire Mum, and I bring you the tools, the courses, and the mindset that you need to make a success online. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do so and hit that notification bell. That way you don't miss a single video. I always try to make videos that are going to help you, especially if you are trying to build a business online, wanting to make money online. In this video, I'll bring you my final My Lead Gen Secret review for 2020. Quick recap, My Lead Gen Secret is a lead generation product. You pay $30 a month, you get 100 leads a day. Once you sell the program to one person, you start getting 200 leads a day, which means that it's fairly easy, really, to get 6,000 leads per month for $30 a month. Now, you might be wondering, is it worth it? Is it worth the money? Does it work? Is it a scam? I hear all kinds of stories, all kinds of questions about My Lead Gen Secret. I have been in this program since August 2019. I've always been completely honest about my results, about what I think about the program. And I want to make a quick recap at the end of the year. There'll be a few new insights that I want to share. Quickly, I'm going to first start by sharing my screen and showing you my results with this product. Let's go. So first things first, this is my back office. I'm just going to show you that this is really my account by going into the profile. As you can see, this is my affiliate ID and this is my name, Sophie Bide, and when I joined on the 17th of August 2019. So this is my account. This is the only one I have. This is the only one I use. Now I'm going to show you how much. So basically I've been since the 17th of August, and I have calculated that is 16 months. Which means that I have paid $480, right? It's $30 a month, so I've paid that for 16 months. That means I've paid $480 to be in this program and get leads every month. Now, let's go into here, affiliates. I'm going to show you how much I've made with this product. Here in the commissions, to protect the identity of people, I systematically, of course, blur their name. But as you can see, I am still receiving commissions, recurring commissions, and I have made, let's go all the way down. I made my first sale on the 26th of August 2019, and altogether I have earned a total of $1,032 with this product. This is really how I've done. Now, if you have a look at my results, in the beginning I had quite a few fresh sign-ups. As time goes by, I am having fewer of those. It's especially striking me sort of this year, sort of as we go, now we're in the autumn, I don't think I have had a new sign up since September 2020. I believe the last new one I had here was the 25th of September, and otherwise these are all, recurring commissions or people
Actually, that's not true. I had a new person in October, but as you can see, I have fewer new people. Most of this income now is recurring commissions, either from people who have directly signed up under me, or from people who have signed up under the people who signed up under me, okay? Because My Lead Gen Secret has this system that, you know, it's you make money if somebody who signed up under you recruits somebody, right? Which is the way it works. Yeah, that's it. So I'm basically, these are basically my results. I wanted to start by showing you this.
So as you can see, this is the first thing I wanted to share with you in this review. I have been making a consistent profit with My Lead Gen Secret. I have made, I calculated about $552, I think it is, of profit simply by promoting My Lead Gen Secret. Okay. Now, this is not the only way that I use My Lead Gen Secret. I have made other videos explaining how I use My Lead Gen Secret. I also promote other products in my emails to my leads. And I'm going to share my screen and show you the results that I have had, how many opt-ins I got to another product that I promote. Let's go.
Okay, so the other product that I tend to promote to My Lead Gen Secret leads is Legendary Marketer. And this is my back office. I'm just going to show you my account just again so you know it really is mine. This is my name, as you can see. It's me. And if I go into affiliates, I will show you my leads. So what happens is whenever I email My Lead Gen Secret leads and send them towards Legendary Marketer, I put a little code. You can put a tracking code basically on the link that Legendary Marketer gives me. Okay, so this allows me to track where my leads come from, and as you can see here, my code is always MLGS something. So as you can see, I have, you know, quite a lot, right? You know, opt in whenever, if I send an email to My Lead Gen Secret leads and I put the link of one or the other funnels of Legendary Marketer, then I get quite a few opt-ins. Okay, these are just so you can see that, you know, people do opt in, right? What happens is then people, of course, they opt in and they then land in my autoresponder, and I continue to create a relationship with them, and some of them buy from me. Okay, so that was just to give you an idea.
So as you can see, when I write an email and put a link to Legendary Marketer in, and I send this email to My Lead Gen Secret leads, I do get opt-ins every time. And I might not make an immediate sale, but this is a way that I then make money because, you know, some people do buy further down the line. I also, in addition to this, I also send emails regularly to My Lead Gen Secret leads about videos that I've made on YouTube. I don't know how much traffic that brings to my YouTube channel, but I'm guessing that it does bring some. And occasionally I send them to one or two other products that I promote and get a few opt-ins there. But I must say that I keep mostly what I promote to My Lead Gen Secret leads is My Lead Gen Secret, Legendary Marketer, and my YouTube videos. And other than that, I just send value emails. Now, what is my end of year sort of summary? How has My Lead Gen Secret gone for me, and how do I want to tell you my honest opinion of my lead gen secret at the end of this year, right? I have mixed feelings. I have to be honest, I have mixed feelings about my lead gen secret. On the one hand, I have done fairly well, considering that I'm not a very big online marketer. So when I started with my lead gen secret, I had, virtually no list. I had a tiny list. Of course, I had a few people on my list, but I didn't start with a huge list at all. This is why I joined my lead gen secret. I wasn't big on YouTube at all either. I didn't have a big following. So considering all this, I have done well. I have made a consistent profit with it. And it has helped me grow my list, because whenever somebody signs up to Legendary Marketer, for instance, just opts in, then I get somebody on my email list. And some of these people buy or join my Facebook group and join my little world. So in that sense, I've done fairly well. However, I must say that I have nearly 100,000 leads right now in my lead gen secret. And if I look at the amount of leads compared to the amount of opt-ins that I get and of sales that I make, it's really disproportionate. And I'm making this movement with my hands because I think, wow, I have this many leads and I really have this many opt-ins and sales. So really with this volume of leads, especially that I give value. I'm not a spammy email marketer. I am a bit surprised that I don't have more people who somehow join me in my world as a result of my emails in my lead gen secret. So that's a little bit what makes me, my feeling is that as time goes by, these leads are less responsive. This is what I'm seeing. And I'm a little bit, at the moment, I'm hesitating. Do I continue or do I not? You need to know that if you cancel your subscription with my lead gen secret, you do continue to get the recurring commissions of people who have signed up under you and the downline people. So I could cancel my subscription and simply just collect the commissions, right? But for the moment, I'm not decided. I'm undecided. For the moment, it's still worth it for me. Now, there is one thing I do want to say. I have been getting fewer sign-ups to my lead gen secret, but in all honesty, I have been less consistent with my daily emailing of the leads. When I started, my online business was much smaller and I had less work. I had less work generally. And so my lead gen secret was very, very high on my priority list. Every single day, religiously, I would email my leads, and I did that for a very long time. Now, I'm not saying I'm not emailing them at all. I am emailing them several times a week, but I miss many more days than I did in the beginning, because now, of course, I'm focused on other activities that bring me more income. I've been much more successful now with my high ticket affiliate marketing. I have a growing Facebook group, a growing YouTube channel. I have other sources of income that give me higher commissions. I have people that are coach, that are mentors. So I put more effort into that and less into my lead gen secret, which, brings me some commissions and bring me some leads, but not the best quality. So I focused my efforts more on things that give me more value, I guess. So that's maybe simply what's happening. My explanation, as I say, I don't know what the explanation is. My hypotheses are it's a mixture. Maybe the leads are getting a bit fed up because I've been emailing, I don't know, for that long. Maybe simply it's because I've been less consistent. I don't quite know. So what would my advice be? First, I want to say, if you want to join My Lead Gen Secret and you want to join using my link, please just click the link below and please make sure you email me. Let me know that you have signed under me using my link so that I can share with you all my tips and my tricks and help you with this product, okay? Aside from this, my advice would be, if you are just starting out and you don't have a list at all, I think it's a good way to get started. Really, if you compare the price of this with solo ads or any kind of form of paid traffic, it's very low, really. And you are going to get some sales, I can't swear that you will, but by the law of averages, if you email every day and you do the things that I've been doing, I don't see why you wouldn't get any sales. You also almost inevitably going to get opt-ins to other products that you promote, which is another roundabout way of getting sales in the end and of growing your online business. But I would say, don't focus only on that. You can't have that as your sole source of traffic, okay? If you are building an online business, you absolutely need, in my opinion, to build content, to be publishing. Every single successful person, publishes very, very consistently, if not daily. So you need to be doing that. So My Lead Gen Secret is a good place to start. It helps to build your list, but don't rely only on this. Pick one platform. I made a video about how to succeed in affiliate marketing, so make sure you watch it. It should be just up there. But definitely pick one platform where you want to publish. It can be a blog, it can be YouTube, it can be Facebook, whatever you are comfortable with. It can be a podcast, but pick one platform, commit to publishing there consistently, and build your audience that way. Use a product, promote a product that has a good funnel. Make sure you capture email addresses. So any good funnel will give you the opportunity to capture email addresses, okay? Any good funnel will give you that. You will have something that you are offering for free in exchange for people's email addresses. When you get the person's email address, absolutely make sure you follow up with quality email. Focus on helping people, focus on their problems, focus on what they're struggling with, help them with that. And, your business will grow. That would be, my advice. So you can buy My Lead Gen Secret by all means, but don't rely only on this as your only way to grow your business. So I hope this review is helpful. It's quite short. I have made many other reviews of My Lead Gen Secret. I've always been very honest about my results. You can check the My Lead Gen Secret playlist. Again, it should be up here. Just check it. You can check all my videos. I have recorded my progress with that product since the very beginning. So you can see I've always been very transparent. As I said, if you want to sign up, use my link below, click on it, let me know that you signed up using my link, and we'll be in touch, and I'll share all my tips and my tricks. If you have any particular questions about My Lead Gen Secret, please drop them in the comments below. I'll be super happy to answer. I'll get back to you. And if you want anything else, any other help with building an online business with affiliate marketing, just reach out to me. My email address is in the description of this video. I'll be very happy to help as much as I can. So I hope you enjoyed this review. If you did, give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and I will see you in another video. Bye for now.